Alright, hello investors. Now in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a quick little tip that people don't really know, and it's very useful, especially if you're a new investor. Now, honestly, this is a really big tip that you guys should take into account. If you're a new investor, you probably don't know this, but it's really good to do. So let's say you bought into a stock. For me, I'm going to use APXT. So Apex Technology, I'm going to put a trade. I'm going to go to sell. I'm going to put over here where it says shares on top. And then I'm going to put a trailing stop order. So if this stock, let's say, I don't want to lose more than 10%, I'm going to put 10%. So I'm willing to lose $1 per share in this stock at most. But if this stock that already went up, I don't want to lose more than, let's say, 5%. I would put 5%, but I usually take a little risk. So I'll put 10%, and it tells you right here, initial stop price. So if the stock goes under 15.26, then it'll automatically sell, so I won't lose any more. Okay, so do this with most of your stocks. I'm not saying do 10%, do whatever you're willing to lose. But like, let's say right now the stock market price of Apex, is at 17.50. So let's say it goes up to 19.50. Then it goes 10% from that. So if this stock hits 19.50, then the trailing stop order becomes 17.26, or whatever price from 10% that would be. So the higher that stock price goes, then it follows along with that percentage. So you get what I'm saying? So the initial stop price, it says right here 15.26. But if this stock price keeps going up, then the initial stop price will keep going up as well. So you can lock in profit like that. So like I said, I'm going to add it to this one. I'm going to put continue. I'll put good till up 90 days. I'll go to continue. And then it says number of shares. Now it has to be a full number of shares. If you have fractional shares, it's not going to do it. So it has to be an actual set number of shares. So right here, I'm going to be putting 20 shares. And it'll sell all of them. And then my estimated credit would be 305 if it hits that price. If it doesn't, if it keeps going up, I'm going to be locking in more and more profit. But this is what my initial risk is. So I click on that, I put review, and I place it. So then boom, it says share sold, 0, because it hasn't hit down that price. And like that, already set up a trailing stop order. So, I lock in profits no matter what. As you see what it was, here again, the price is at 15.75. And you can check all this information here. So the order is going to be executed tomorrow, but it's going to be going on for the next 90 days. So, that's pretty much it, guys. As you see, the price would have been at 305. My risk is $45 if I end up losing everything. So that's pretty much how you set it up. Whenever you do trades with any stocks, like I said, you want to do that with each one of them. So, I do have them for each one of my stocks. If any stocks drop a certain amount, like let's say Coca-Cola, I have it pretty much at if it drops about 30% or 40%, these stocks that I'm going to invest long-term, I have a higher point to that. Stocks that I'm going to just swing trade and day trade, I usually set up those, trailing stop orders. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to talk about this. Hopefully that helped. If it did, please like, share, and please, please, please subscribe. A lot of my viewers don't subscribe, and I'm going to be taking a little bit more each day to actually show you, especially new investors, all these tips, all these little things that are going to help you become a more successful trader. So again, thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If I won't answer it, someone else will. We're going to try to build a community here and become all successful investors. So we're going to take it step by step, and we will get there. So again, thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next time.